Over the years, scientists have discovered that the Earth's moon possesses certain unusual traits. The moon is the solar system's fifth largest natural satellite. It is thought to have been formed by a massive collision between the early Earth and a Mars-sized planet. Based on an evaluation, it was discovered that the moon is obviously in the incorrect orbit for its size, based on its currently estimated density. Astronomical measurements show that the inner areas of the moon are less dense than the outer, leading to the inevitable speculation that it is hollow. Some of these assertions are based on the fact that when meteors impact the moon, they produce a ringing sound. When the Apollo crew released the lunar module after returning to the orbiter on November 20, 1969, the module impact with the moon caused their seismic equipment to report a continuous reverberation like a bell for more than an hour. Mikhail Vasin and Alexander Shcherbakov, members of the then Soviet Academy of Sciences, postulated the spaceship moon theory in July 1970. Based on the pseudoscientific notion, the Earth's moon could be an alien spacecraft. The moon, according to Vasin and Shcherbakov, is a hollowed-out planetoid created by unknown beings with technology considerably superior to that of Earth. Massive machines would have melted rock and formed huge cavities within the moon. As a result, the moon would have a hull-like inner shell and an outer shell composed of metallic rocky slag. Afterwards, when the spaceship moon was released into orbit around the Earth, the supporters of this theory refer to an increase in reports and photographs of UFOs collected by NASA on its moon missions. The moon's surface is covered with hundreds of thousands of craters of various size. However, all of the craters have the same depth. Scientists believe that there is a metallic barrier under the surface that protects it from damage. It has been observed that asteroids and meteors not only form shallow craters on the moon's surface, but also produce a convex floor to the crater instead of the expected concave floor, giving credibility to the hypothesis of a solid shell. The moon seems to be much older than previously thought, possibly even older than the Earth or the Sun. The Earth is estimated to be 4.6 billion years old, with moon rocks dating back 5.3 billion years. The chemical composition of the dust on which the rocks sit differs significantly from that of the rocks themselves. This suggests that the lunar surface was relocated from somewhere else and deposited on the moon. While some of Moon's craters originated internally, there is no evidence that the moon was ever hot enough to produce volcanic eruptions. Each year, hundreds of moonquakes are reported that cannot be linked to meteor strikes. Some of the aftershocks appear to follow a pattern. The moon's crust is significantly tougher than previously believed. Metal shavings were observed when NASA was recorded drilling a few inches into the moon's surface. The moon is the only natural satellite in the solar system with a steady, nearly round orbit. How does one explain the coincidence that the moon is exactly the appropriate distance and diameter to totally hide the sun during an eclipse? Professional astronomers have progressively been discouraged from looking into a lunar phenomena that has been reported for 1,000 years. Transient lunar phenomena are short-lived brightness, color, or other changes in the appearance of the lunar surface. The moon is also known to have a rare mix of metals. It contains traces of metals that are not naturally occurring, such as brass, according to ancient code. The amount of titanium discovered on the moon is approximately 10 times that of Earth. This ratio is described as mind-boggling by scientists. The mysteries of the moon and the universe are yet unexplained, and what is beyond our planet's atmosphere may not be found in our lifetime. For each new thought, technological innovation, and scientific discovery, the facts and hypotheses that define the cosmos become much more flexible. It just depends on what happens next. Well, you've reached the end of the video. If you are interested in learning more about similar topics, here you will find other really interesting videos from the channel. Thanks for watching this video. Click on the like button if you enjoyed it, and do not forget to subscribe in case you didn't. See you on the next one.